Hey there! Online investing has become increasingly popular in recent years, thanks to the convenience and affordability it offers. With just a few clicks, you can access a wide range of investment opportunities and manage your portfolio from the comfort of your own home. But where do you begin? Here are a few key tips to help you get started with online investing. Start small. Don't feel like you have to invest a lot of money right away. Start small and gradually build up your portfolio over time. This can help you get a feel for online investing and learn as you go. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio by investing in a variety of different assets, such as stocks, bonds, and cash. This can help reduce risk and potentially increase your chances of success. Choose a reputable platform. There are many online investment platforms to choose from, so it's important to do your research and find one that is reputable and trustworthy. Look for platforms that offer a wide range of investment options, low fees, and strong customer support. Keep fees in mind. Online investing can be more affordable than traditional investment options, but fees can still eat into your returns. Look for platforms that offer low fees and consider the overall cost of investing. Keep in mind that cheaper isn't always better, as some platforms with higher fees may offer more valuable features and services. Stay informed, keep up with market news and developments, and review your portfolio regularly to ensure that it's still aligned with your investment goals. This can help you make informed decisions about your investments and adjust your portfolio as needed. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful online investor. Remember, investing carries inherent risks, and it's important to carefully consider your investment goals and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. In addition to these tips, it's also important to have a long-term perspective when it comes to online investing. Don't get too caught up in short-term market fluctuations, and try to stay focused on your investment goals. Another key to success is to be consistent with your investing. It can be tempting to make impulsive decisions based on emotions or short-term events, but it's important to stick to a disciplined investing strategy. Finally, don't be afraid to seek out additional resources and guidance. There are many online resources available to help you learn more about online investing, and you may also want to consider seeking the advice of a financial professional. I hope this video has been helpful and has given you some insights on online investing. With dedication and persistence, you'll be able to master the art of online investing and achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching.